Coming up on our YouTube channel, The Traveling Bear with Stu Bear, we'll show you how we introduced Jasmine to her bike trailer. We'll also visit some lovely campsites in Suffolk, including some stunning cycle rides with downloadable route links. If aviation is your thing, we have the perfect campsite at Mildenhall in West Row, along with the best fish and chips, plus pop-up camping near Henley-on-Thames. We're also reviewing electric bikes, perfect for the motorhomers, starting with a folding bike, so stay tuned with a special discount on that. In our motorhome tips and hacks segment, we'll show you how to keep those sticking window blinds working and how to replace a Webasto digital controller. Don't forget, we also have discount codes at the Vicarious Media Bookstore, Brit Stops, and special offers from the Kent and Sussex Tea and Coffee Company. All this and more on the Traveling Bear with Stu Bear YouTube channel.